Happy Sabbath day to everyone. So before I read to you the sequence of our program, let me first welcome everyone to our Sabbath School program. I would like to welcome our guests, our visitors, the first-time visitors as well as the regular ones, and also all the members of the Upper Fellowship Center. So I don't have the list of the names of the visitors, but anyhow, we would like to thank you for spending your Sabbath day with us. So we started our Sabbath School program with our song service from our song leader, Sister Rona May Binge, accompanied by our pianist, Sister Joyce Ingorio. Then we had our opening prayer by Sister April Avila. I am your superintendent for the Sabbath, Maureen Maramion. And our program for this Saturday will be some sort of a short musical presentation. So I will be reading to you the sequence of the participants. So first we'll be starting off with our special song by the quartet. They will be singing "He Choose Me." Then an instrumental number from Brother Ed Jupino and Brother Kimuel Madelo, to be followed by the mission story by Brother Peter Lamar. Then after that, we'll have a song number from the Hinkson Sisters, rendering their piece of Share Your Faith. And then the finale number from the NSD Voices, singing Light of a Million. After that, we'll have the lesson study by class, the prayer band by class, and then the lesson summary by Pastor Victor Navarro and the casting of prayer requests. So the program will follow as announced, and may you feel blessed as we continue with our program.